Welcome back. I'm Jonathan Christian, lead mobile application engineer here at AprilAire, and we have another great release ready for you, app version 2.14. We have millions of households using our products today, and they all deserve optimal operating equipment. So with this, we have the ability for customers who don't actively own a Wi-Fi thermostat can now replace their consumables using our app. So here are some examples of what that code looks like. So the customer can easily scan and be able to download that app and then get started adding their water panel or air filter. After downloading and creating your account, you will be greeted with the Add a Product page. The Add Product page has new products added to it, as you can see, air filters, water panels, and steam canisters. You can search for a product itself by using the search box and typing in the product's name, or you can also use the scan a product barcode, which allows you to scan the code and be able to find the right product easily. Once selecting or scanning the product, the user is now starting the provisioning process, as you can see here. There is location room, so the user can assign where the product is going to go. And we also have some YouTube videos that go through and guide the user about how to replace and set up their product. Once hitting continue, the user will be taken to a set timer page. This page allows the user to set the date the product was installed and then when they want the product to be replaced. We have recommended defaults based upon the product of when it needs to be replaced. The user can set that differently based upon their needs. Once the user is done with the timer page, they'll be taken back to this landing page. And as you can see here, the tiles have been updated for non-connected products. There's green, and there's yellow, and there's red indications. This all helps the user know when it's getting close to replace their media or when it's time to replace the media itself. After the user has selected a non-connected product from the landing page, they will be greeted with one of the three screens. You will see that the hero image is displayed at the top based upon the product that they have. They have a life meter, which allows them to see when the next replacement date is and what the health is of their product. When it's time to replace, the customer can take steps to either repurchase the media or reset the media lifetimer after replacing the old media. If the homeowner has specified a HealthAire Pro, you can see that it is the top option that the customer can then purchase more products from. There's also Amazon, Home Depot, and AprilAire specified, which will take the customer to the following stores to be able to purchase that media there. And now with media replacement timers, homeowners have more of a reason to reach out to their contractor for support and maintenance. Now, contractors may not see this as a welcoming call, but it does give homeowners the choice to reach out to them. We also have the ability to buy consumables from AprilAire, Amazon, Home Depot, so there's a lot of options for the customer. So before and today, only homeowners with a Wi-Fi thermostat had the reason to use the HealthAire app, and this is just a small 1.5% of that business. But today, we can reach out to millions with customers who have air filters and water panels and give them a more compelling reason to use our application.